it's time for another Sicilian word. Today's word, I think, is used often when you're sitting at the table and having supper or lunch, or when, you have your family dinner time. Somebody's gonna say, "Va piglia a grattalora." What is a grattalora? It's a cheese grater, and in Italian we say gratterino. So this is what we're talking about when we say "va piglia a grattalora." It's a cheese grater, and again, in Italian, it's gratterino, perché gratta, it scratches, it grates. So grattalora is a Sicilian word. So if you want a cheese grater to put your cheese on your pasta, ask for a grattalora in a Sicilian family. And in Italian, it's gratterino. In English, it's a cheese grater. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Big Mama Siciliana Learn Sicilian one word at a time, and follow me on Instagram for positive and humoristic posts. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu.